How to mute WhatsApp status. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can mute WhatsApp status. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is of course have the WhatsApp app. You can easily get it on your App Store or Google Play Store. If you already have it, make sure that it is updated to its latest version. Simply search for WhatsApp in your App Store or Play Store and check for updates. If there is an update available, tap on the update button and update it. After you do that, you can open up your WhatsApp. Now you will see on the bottom left corner an option called updates. If you tap on that, you will now be on your status section. Now you can see people's status from here, and if there are some people who put on a lot of status, you can mute them. For that, long press on that very person on this status and then tap on mute. As you can see right here, they won't be notified when mentions from this contact, and the new status updates won't appear at the top of status anymore. Tap on mute to mute that very person. After you do that, you're basically good to go. Now you can unmute them after you find their status again, and yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye, take care.